I'm going with Spark higher order function. So higher order function is very important. You want to convert row to column. You want to collect multiple rows into one row. These functions are very important for data manipulation. So let's learn about this one. So explore these more the complex function in the Spark SQL, such as transform, map, explode, and many more. So far, we have seen the simple example of user and built-in function. But Spark also offers functions that can work more complex type. Let's walk through the example that require us to use some of higher order function and realize that given the structure of our data, we can't answer questions by filtering on the actor name. So if you see my previous data, so that actor name is contain the multiple actor names into one rows. So since the actor name movie appear in the pipe delimiter is string actor column, instead we will, so let's look this is example. So I have a the data of in the one line, and we want to convert into the uh, in the list, right? It's a 5 delimiter, so I converted. So there is a function called a split and then actor, and then pipe it replace split based on the 5, and it will convert into the list because we type here the list. So this one we are going to practice in Scala later after this finish this course. So if you see, then the next higher order function is the explode. So explode basically it can convert rows into column. Okay. The similarly way, there are method called select expr that can use for manipulate complex type. Here is some of more example. So this is collect list. So it convert into the list, right? Collecting the list. Multiple rows into one row. Similarly, array distinct, it will remove the distinct value of all title and put into one column. And there are array intersect, array join, array union. So these are the functions. Let's practice this using the code. So I practiced before we prepare the course for today. And what I'm going to do here is first what kind of data we have. Let's look this one. If you can't see I'm increasing my brightness of my computer. So if, you can see now the I have IMDb reviews or names, the title of movie, release of year, release date, genes, and the actor name. So if you see the actor is a it's a based on the 5. So first we convert 5 into the list. So how we do? It's very simple. We just do Spark dot SQL, then we can use select, and we can write the column name, the actor, or some of the column like title. We can just type your title, then release years, then a rating. There is a rating column, sequence, hit off. This is rating, and then actor, actress, and then we do split by split, and this actor we split based on 5, right? So basically if you want to remove in something, so we use this forward slash, so it will remove the it's the same as Unix. Typically we use in Unix. Okay, and the new column name I want to give this is actor, one name, so actor from, and I created one table here, movie. So and then I'm going to use sorry, so I'm going to use same code before I write. So what I did, select title, release year, hit hop flop, actor, and splitting this is a higher order function I'm going to apply, and then actor name from this table. Let's see the result, how it looks like. The first result we are showing here. hopefully it will work well. So it's giving some error, so there is something which we need to talk about, comma, what it's saying, actor from temp view, extension, actor expecting this brackets, there is a bracket is expecting 5, okay, yeah, so this split function we haven't closed, it's my mistake. Let's see. Hopefully it will work well now. So you can see the syntax and how it is working, the splitting. So if you see this result, we split. Now again, this is in the comma separated, and this one. So this one again we can convert row into the column into row. So explode explode function it can do for us. By default, it will take the comma is. So it worked well. So now in the next lecture, what I'm going to create or replace temp, just temp view as movie vw temp, movie vw temp 1 ads, right? So in the, if you see here, we converted into actor first Govinda came, then Aswarya Raj, Jackie Sharaf, and all those things, right? This is very good example we did already. So now I'm going to create one more thing, is create or replace view as this one as just creating view. And so for the simplicity, I'm creating this view, and in the next part I think we can use directly this create or replace view, right? Create and replace view as movie temp. So I just want to use this view, not create and replace view. So we remove this one, and I created view, and I'm going to use the actor name because directly it's in there in the view, and we can apply some other function, right? Higher order function. We did this one. Trim also we can do. You can do the hip hop actor name, yeah. So limit this one we can do. So hip hop is rating, right? Explore actor name hip hop. I think we missed something here. Here is coming hip hop. That's fine. Actress we can remove, and there is a function called average. You can directly apply as rate. Okay, group by this actor. And then again we can use this one, so and something, so it will give basically actor wise rating how they are performing, right? I'm going to see if we can use something different function. Something is wrong. Which one is wrong? So hit hop is correct, and comment temporary input expecting something like that. So what is saying? Okay, so this is create command line 27. I think this is select average rating group Y. This is fine. Create or replace temp view. Create or replace temp view movie. So the syntax is we need to remember how it's working temp view. So just creating temp view. I think it's worked well. It didn't work well. So from temp view, create release here, explode as temp view. So here is the title. I think here is the error. Let me see. So this is just for practice of the SQL. There is nothing to do with Spark. What you need to learn about is function explode, and we are going to practicing here how the explode is working. Again, there is an error. So create or replace temp create or replace temp view movie. Yeah, this is correct name. Select title here. The actor from this one. What is saying? It works. So we just need to see the how it is working. Create or replace. Create or replace. View. Create and replace. Temporary. Create and replace temp view. Temp view movie as select title. Select as title, delimited, hit off, actress, explode as actor from temp is correct. Okay, and then we are using this one is here. Sorry, I think it should work, but why I create temporary explode is movie. Let me see what is the problem is here. View movie. Maybe it's not creating, but it's fine. Temp view. Movie VM tune. What is saying? So movie V1 is select here. Create or create and is replace. Create or replace temp view. It is same. I don't know what is the error. Create view name as, then we give as, then we use select, then you release here, hit off, actor, explode, and we apply same function. Let's use this one. Let's practice this one. This practice. There is nothing secret here. I'm just running my code, and my previous code is not working. I'm seeing why. Actor name, title, release here, hit off from temp view, and this is also from temp view VW. So whatever view we created, I use that one. Let's see how it will go. But the view name we have given like same. For movie VMTF1, hit off as rate. So we can see something is wrong. Explain threads main Spark cannot resolve actor given input to column. Oh, okay. So I think we are actress. Yeah. The problem is here. What column name we have given? Here is actor name. So it's my mistake, guys. Please be with me. And then here should be also actor name. Yeah. It's a syntax error, so we can try, we can practice. It's very simple, not a big deal. So we are going to see here the actor rating, average actor rating, top 10. So average actor rating, you see the Govinda is this one, someone is American is highest, and yeah, so Paul is higher. So similar kind we can do, and you guys can practice this one. Then next part we are going to see is trim also we can apply, hit hop also we can apply. This is not a big deal, and this one also we did. And we can apply the collect set, how it collect set looks like. Let's practice. So collect set is like converting rows to column, multiple row into one row. So here I'm going to use the collect sets, and from this table movie, and it's just simple. We just apply SQL, and this one work with SQL, and then we're going to see the top 10 row. So what I'm going to do here, select collect set title, not title. I will use okay, title. If we let me see if we have title. Yes, we have title. So I'm selecting title, collecting sets. So this is subquery. It's here, and then we should have one more subquery A, and this can also we can give A. So let's see that if it work well. If the query is correct, it can give correct result. If query is not, and then we are doing the these things. What we could have done one by one. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so better if you guys are not aware, let's do one by one. How is it working? Select collect list all title from movie, and then we remove here. Yeah, so let's do one by one because it's not working, and we use this tab view, and this one have title. Select texture title, it will come title. Yeah, so it come into one, right? You know, see everything, as I say, it's convert row to column, multiple rows to into one row. And next part we can see, you know, one query also. Yeah, thank you.